Hello guys, it's Trado Queen here. How are you? Welcome to my channel. It's on a Saturday and I have been doing something I have always wanted to do. I had some tomatoes and I had stored them in the fridge and they were turning. Let me show you how they look now. So you can see this part, it was turning. And so I felt like they're going to go bad, so I decided to make tomato paste, and that's what I've been doing. Yes, I've been preparing these tomatoes. You can see them. So here I have cut them. I de-seeded. You can see they do not have seeds, and this is the part that usually have seeds. I decided to separate, and these are the seeds from the tomatoes. So these ones I'm going to keep them in the fridge for cooking. Yeah, I'll cook with this. This is puree. So those are seeds and water, and here I have this part. As you can see, this is part that usually have seeds, and today I did not skin the tomatoes. Yes, I decided that I'm going to try to cook to make tomato paste with the skin on. So this is the skin, and so what I want to do now, I want to put them in a fire. Yes, I want to put them in this pot, and then I put them in the fire. So that's what I want to do. So I want to put these tomatoes in this pot. can see it's still boiling. Yeah, and all this water you have to evaporate. So I want to make sure that the fire in this pot, when it goes down, I give this time to cool so that I can bread. Manini imekuwa sawa, lakini usijaze hivyo tena.
Hebu tuende kijiko weke hapa ndani. Hivyo.
This time I did not remove the skin, and I want to put this beetroot to give the tomato paste color. It has little bread. Guys, look at this. This one, we put that beetroot.
I don't want to be harassed about matters with God. Remember, I don't know God. I'm just a beginner. But I hear somebody is harassing you. So for me, I do not take it right. And so I stopped going to church.
So this is the tomato paste.
The girl, I think so. Like, I give her another now for whatever she had planned to do in my house. So the girl
I'm going to allow it to boil.
in another way that even myself I do not understand, because anytime
I think boiling before it's better. Yeah, because you got to boil everything.
I go to the bathroom and
I can see that it's continuing to boiling. This is the hardest. Yes. I think boiling to remove excess water is the hardest. I'm tempted to remove it like this, and then I think I will keep it like this, then I'll allow it to cool, and then I'll keep it in the fridge. So guys, this is the morning. It's on a Sunday, and I want to store this. So this is how it looks like. I did not let it to. We do not allow it to boil, but I feel like it's okay like this. So I don't know which is better, removing the skin or not removing. Yeah, I feel like it was not all that fine. It's still okay if it's for my use. So I believe if you harvest, or if you happen to have a lot of tomatoes, you do not need to allow it to go to waste. You can turn it into tomato paste, and yes, and you can also add olive oil. Yes, olive oil acts as a preservative. So in the case where maybe you do not have a fridge, yes, and you can get those glass bottles to store in. So I think if you happen to have extra tomatoes, you do not need to allow them to go to waste. Yes. So guys, this is all my tomatoes. I have like apportioned in small portions like this. So when I want to cook, this is the part that I shall be removing because I want to keep it in the deep freezer. Yes. Yeah. So I think this is doable. So now I'm going to put it in the fridge. Yeah. So the only challenge with this method, because first you are boiling the tomatoes and then you allow it for it to cool, for you to blend, because like for example my blender, I feel like it could have burnt because it's plastic. Blending while the tomatoes, it's hot, so I had to allow it to cool, so it's taking a lot of time, but it's something you can do. And like the whole of yesterday, that's what I was doing. So, and I think it will not be possible for it to do it over gas. It's going to consume a lot of gas, so you need like cheaper fuel like wood or even charcoal. But it's very nice. Yeah, it's good to try out. So bye, thank you, and kindly make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and you comment. Bye, love you.